I'm going to show you how you can fix no radio beeps on all server on FiveM. First off, you want to go to your search bar down here, and then you want to type in run like this, run here, right? Now on run, you want to type in app data like this. Make sure there's no typo. App data just like this. Now tap on OK. Once you tap on OK, you'll be put into a screen like this. You want to tap on roaming. Now on roaming, you want to find something called Citizen FX right here, right? So Citizen FX, tap on that. Now on Citizen FX, there will be a folder called KVS. You want to delete this folder, KVS, delete this folder. And now that should fix your no radio beep on all server on FiveM. Do note that this will delete all of the settings in your menu as well, so it'll be returned back to default. Although, again, this should fix your no radio beep problem. And then that's it. You're done. This is a very quick and easy way you can do this, even though the settings will be deleted, although I'm sure it will fix it as well.